So the first questioner says, sir, what is the working application of neural network over other algorithms? That's from Mr. Yusuf Nuruddin. Yeah, neural network is one of the foremost machine learning algorithm. It's also there in the Weka. Hopefully another day we'll have the opportunity to also demonstrate. It's one of the forerunners in modeling. So actually pave way for others to follow. It's been an old machine learning algorithm, and it's also very powerful. However, the principle of letting the data speak is what we have to stick to. So once we start modeling, we have our data. The advice and the professional procedure is we start with the simple classifier first. We start with the simple classifier. When we say simple classifier, they are very straightforward to build. Like k-nearest neighbor, the one I started with. Decision tree, another simple one. Naive Bayes, another one. Before we start going to other more sophisticated algorithm, like neural network, like support vector machine, and host of other algorithm, XGBoost. And when something goes really tough, if the data is really very complicated, very difficult to model, we can even train KNN, SVM, neural network. We combine several algorithms we made them to build individual models, and we can let them jointly take a decision to do the prediction for us. We call it committee machine. You know, when you work in committee, it's always better than individual. As they say that two good heads are better than one. So this is the same principle that has been confirmed in AI, in machine learning, that when you train multiple models and then you let them jointly take a decision, actually it is the best way of getting best result. It has always guaranteed that the decision of all of them will be better than the decision of every individual in that group. And that is the power of togetherness. So machine learning again demonstrated that when we are together, we get better result, better outcome. But when we are divided, we are only limited to our own capability as an individual. But with the power of a group, we get better result, and that has been also demonstrated in machine learning ensemble and hybrid systems. So that's the question to there. That's the answer to the question. So I don't think there's another question. So we welcome, each and every one of us. I know some of us are very new, are joining us for the first time, but I can assure you it's not difficult. It's something you can do. Just make your present regular and then check out some of our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever the video is posted there, you can be able to see it and watch it. So to that, and we always, the WhatsApp group also regular will tell us what we can check out that will benefit us. Let us subscribe to that group also and take our time to watch some of the video we are recommending for you in that particular place. So I think there's a question. Somebody raised hand. Dr. Akinola Zakaria or Mr. Akinola Zakaria. Akinola Zakaria, you have the floor, so you can mute yourself now. You can unmute yourself, please. Unmute yourself. So you can ask your question. Yeah.
Thank you for the presentation, sir. We really appreciate it, sir.
You're welcome.
My question is that all this data, where can we get it before we can do all this prediction and whatsoever on agricultural products, sir? Then, secondly, before we can start this modeling of it, is it necessary for us to get laptop or we can do that on phone also, sir?
Okay, thank you very much. So, yeah, on the data set issue, it's good to the data sets one we are using to practice now. We are going to post it, inshallah, on our platforms for you to see, for everybody to see. We will put it there for people to take it and use it to practice. If we have others also, we will definitely put it. However, the world is now in a global village. Just Google, ask Mr. Google, data set on crop production. You see a lot of options is going to bring it up to you. People are gearing up. People are coming up with interest in different areas of using data analytics. So, and also we do post some of the repository that has very good data sets. So we are going to keep posting it. Our coordinator will keep posting those links. Like Kaggle is a very popular data repository. Kaggle, Kaggle. So you can go there and use I also, another very popular data repository. So, and also for that, there are so many of them, depending on the area you want to use the data. So let's endeavor to ask Mr. Google and also check out the platform. We'll be putting some suggestion, some website we can check out for data to be used. So we can download. And we also encourage ourselves, people on the field, let us try to record our data. Those simple things we are dealing with in the past, they're like what do we call it in photosynthesis? We say byproducts. See, oxygen is a byproduct of photosynthesis and is so useful to human beings. Some of those data we have in our farm, they are just wasting away because we don't use them. Let's bring our data on board and let our data speak for us. Let the data guide us on the best way for us to plant the next season planting. The data in the past years can actually guide us if we have the data and we are able to use data science judiciously in getting the insight. Those data, they communicating, but we don't understand what they are communicating. But with effective modeling using machine learning and the likes, we can get good insight from our data. As for the second question, well, for now, someone contacted me and I said they should check. I'm not aware. I know some of our phones are becoming more of a laptop because of the power of the memory and all those things that are there. But I'm not sure if Weka supports phone. We can check it out. But for now, I know laptop, desktop are working fine with it. But maybe there will be a slim version that is supporting installation of phone, but I'm not yet aware of it. I've asked people to check it out. If we get that, and you can also try, check it, go to their website. They will tell you different versions. I know they are for Mac version, Mac edition, Windows edition, even different Windows edition. If they have phone edition, then definitely they will put it there, maybe Android or iPhone and the likes. But to my knowledge, I'm not aware of that is available, but it doesn't mean it's not possible. So let us check it out. And if we get it also, we'll let us know on our platform. Hopefully that answers your question. Thank you very much. So another question? Okay. Yeah, how can we get the Weka Explorer? We need to download it. So Mr. Bilamin is asking question. Just download the Weka, the spelling Weka, Weka, download it, and then start practicing. And then we have videos that describe how you can run your first machine learning modeling in Weka. Very simple and very straightforward. So somebody's asking, how do we get access to the slide that you just shared? Okay, so the slides will be made available in our platform. So let us join the platform. Somebody in the team, please chat with them how they can join the platform and how they can also, including the video also, will be posted to our YouTube channel as soon as possible. Yes, Prof. So Professor is asking, Professor Taufik is asking, is the suggested data repository Kaggle? Yeah, Kaggle, yeah, the first one, Kaggle, Kaggle, yeah, Kaggle, Kaggle. Yes, the first one you type is correct, sir. Yeah, so after we have data, we have trained our algorithm on this data. How can I publish so that people can use it? Yes. Somebody is asking a question, Dr. Abib Olalekan is asking that after we have data and have trained our algorithm or this data, how can I publish? How can I publish so that people can use it, sir? Yes. Once you there's another videos of ours. We have described in details different editions. We will also share it for the sake of researchers. We will guide you how you can report your experimental outcomes, so that we are going to guide you on that. We already had several sections on how to write machine learning based research report and publish. So we've done that, and hopefully we have opportunity to do revision on that, but our videos are in the archive and are made so easy to understand. So our team will please take note and help us post some of the researcher's guide to writing machine learning based research report, so that once you do the experiment, then there are procedures you have to follow to report your work. And then even some of the data you have published in the past, you can bring it back and then use machine learning to analyze it and then get it published again, because you are introducing a totally new dimension. So thank you all for the listening. I think those are the questions I can get online. So until inshallah next week. So I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Really appreciate your time, sir. God bless you. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. Thank you very much, everybody.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.